Okay, we'll continue here. So now I'm going to explain you very detailedly how to load the clean data into the new database. Once we have cleaned the data, we need to store in the new SQLite database. We no need to create new database in SQLite. It will be automatically created when you give the name of the new database. Okay, so this step ensures that only clean and valid data will be loaded. Okay, so when it comes to the code, connection underscore new SQLite 3.connect new underscore db underscore path. So this SQLite connect new underscore db underscore path, this creates a connection to the new database. And then if new database does not exist, then SQLite creates the new file automatically. It's very, very important. Suppose I does not create the new database previously. If it is not there, no problem. It will be created automatically. This connection is stored in the variable conn underscore new, which allow us to execute SQL commands. And then we are using the try and exception. So what is the here? I have here save clean data using try except. Why we use try and except here? For error handling. If you want to handle some errors, we use try and except. So here I have df dot to underscore SQL, the table name, and connection new for the new database if exist equal to replace. So it converts the clean pandas data frame df into SQL table. So it will convert the data frames into the structured SQL table. So this is the table name, okay, and this is the connection, the new connection variable, whatever you stored here, new connection variable here. And what is meant by if exists replace? If the user table, if suppose you have this, the name, or suppose I doesn't know, I already have this table in my SQLite database in my personal computer. In this case, if you already have the table in this name user, it will delete the old table and it will create the new table in the name of users. And it ensures that latest clean data will be stored in this table users. And what is index equal to false? It's nothing but it prevents the pandas from creating an extra column for the row indices. So it will prevent the pandas to create the extra column. If everything works good, the whole line, then it display you data successfully loaded into new database. If you face any error in loading into new database, if any error occurs while inserting the data, the this except block catches the error and it will display the error message in error inserting the data into the new database. And then to verify the data, I need to verify the data. Suppose I loaded the clean data into new database. I need to verify whether the data is stored in new database or no. So here I have your df underscore new pd dot read underscore SQL. I already explained you what is this used for. Yes. So whenever you're going to execute an SQL query, we use this pd dot read underscore SQL. So it will read the stored data from the users table into the new database. So it executes the SQL query, select all from the table name users, and it will retrieve all the rows and columns from the users table, and it will load the result into the pandas data frame in the variable df underscore new. Now it will print the data in the new database, and whatever you have in this variable, we give print df underscore new. Now the database will get, you need to close your new database connection. Why this is important? Why should I close the connection? Because it prevents potential database locks that might block further operations. There must not be further operation must not be made. As a data engineer, I have extracted the data from the old database. I cleaned the data, I loaded the data into the new database, and I close the connections. I don't want to happen any further operations in the new database. So I will tell you again why we use try, exception, all these. It's to handle the errors like database connection issues, incorrect data formats. To handle the errors, we use try and except. So once it is completed, you will get the answer. If it's error, you will get the answer. There is an error in inserting the data into new database. So once it completed the program, you know how to execute the program. Now, how to check the new database in SQLite? So we just click on run CMD, and here I give the same CD SQLite. This step is not to create database. This step is to check whether the database is available or no. I give SQLite 3. Now do not press enter. If you press enter, then it will take you to transient database. Then you need to change to persistent. It's a long step. So whenever you want to check the databases exist in SQLite 3 or no, after SQLite 3, you need to give your new underscore database.db, the new database name what you given inside your Python program. So I get like this. Now I want to check. After you get like this, I want to check whether the table exists inside the new database.db. So I give here dot tables. So after I give dot tables, it displays me table name user. Now I can give here, I can check the clean data from the new database. So I get it like this. So this is how we will display the clean database in the loading the clean data in the new database. I hope it is clear. And thank you all. Please go through the program and do the steps. Whatever I explained you, it will be easy for you. Okay. Thank you.